Hey guys, today let's learn how to undo the repost over on TikTok. So head on over on TikTok and actually choose a video that you wish to repost. And if ever that you want to repost this specific video, maybe I want to choose this one right here. In order for you to repost your video, all you need to do, guys, is to head on over and all you need to do is just share the video first and actually click on over here onto the share option so that I'll give you the option to repost your video. So click on repost. And now the video has been reposted. So how could you actually undo that repost? All you need to do is to click onto the share button once more. Head on over onto the option where you click repost. And as you can see here, it's a different name now, and then you can actually remove your repost automatically very quickly, and then boom. That is how you redo, or rather, undo your repost on TikTok in no time. Pretty easy. So guys, please comment on below if it worked. I'll see you in the next video.